How to change name on Tinder? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Tinder application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. So in order to see your profile, you have to tap on the profile option in the right bottom corner, and here you can see your display name or your name on Tinder. So if you tap on settings option in the right upper corner, then here you won't find any options for changing your display name. You can change the other settings of your Tinder by tapping on the pencil option in the right hand side of your profile, and you can change over here your photos and anything, but there is no any option for changing your name. So you need to know that you cannot change your display name or the name on your Tinder once you create. For changing your name, you need to delete your account and recreate your account with the name that you want to set. So for deleting your account, you can simply tap on the settings option in the right upper corner, and from over here you need to scroll down to the button and go for delete account option, and you have to go for delete my account. You need to select any of the options over here, but it's not compulsory. You can also go for skip option in the right upper corner, and you can simply go for delete my account and your account will be deleted, and you can create your new account by setting the name that you want to set. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.